Hey, what's up, guys? So do you remember these shoes from a couple episodes ago? So I wanted to create a tutorial about how to create reflection with lighting in your photography. I had a specific street in mind that I wanted to do this with, but I'm stuck home with this little hooligan today, and so I thought I'd just do it on my back deck, like just use what I have. So let's get into the episode. So I got my deck here, and it was wet. I had to respray it down because it dried up, but that's going to give me my reflection I'm looking for in my photos. So the camera I'm using is a Sony a6500. You can use really your iPhone for this. You don't need a special camera. The iPhone has a great lens. And I have a couple great little portable lights I'm going to use that are battery operated. So these lights are nice because they're battery operated. And they come with, you can get like little tripods for them. By the way, guys, fall in Utah, pretty beautiful. So in photography, we like to use leading lines. So this deck has some nice long lines that are behind me. We're gonna use those to focus our eyes on the subject, which are the shoes. Also, so I want more reflection like in the background and reflected in my water. So I got these like little portable lights here. There we go. And those are really nice and powerful LED portable rechargeable lights. I don't even know where I got these. You can probably find them on Amazon. Is this your favorite part, bud? Here you go. You gonna help me? Yeah. This is Eve's favorite part right here. Squirt gun. So I've got to keep them upright. So I just got little pieces of tape. I'm gonna kind of set them up like this to light my shoes up. You got those shoes, buddy?
Yeah.
All right, so I got my lighting, I got my leading lines, I got my lights with the reflection with a little bit of depth. I wish I had more depth, but I'm working with what I have on my back patio. And so I think we're ready to go. So that was the photo. You saw those lines, you saw the reflection for the light. You even saw a little bit of movement with the water. We wanted to make it look like she was kind of jumping or sliding, so a little bit of water movement in there. So I shot this whole episode with my iPhone, except for taking a picture with a camera. But using what I have, like using my back patio. It's an overcast day. I couldn't go out and shoot at a beautiful location, but used what I had, and you can create great work. Just got to get creative. Got to get those creative juices flowing.
Like this if you like it, comment for the community, and share if you really care. Coming up next on Creative Juice.
You guys are literally
didn't get enough, so we gotta sample more. Thanks. Oh, back.
I want to try it. Give me. I want one of those.